All right, guys. So in this video, we're gonna make a Milwaukee Packout wire caddy. I was looking for a good wire caddy for a while, and you can find some pretty good ones for 20 to 30 bucks. But they're not really mobile. You basically just have a handle, which is good for most cases, but I wanted something that would fit with my Packout. So I had a couple of these crates laying around, and I thought, well, you know what? I could probably fit 3 wire rolls across that, as you see there. I was worried about the height of them sticking up out of the top, but they fit perfectly. So you could go ahead and still stack stuff on top of this, which is really nice. But yeah, so that's 3/4 inch EMT there, and then some couplers. And in this coupler right here, I'm kind of seeing how far it sticks out, and I'm thinking, hey, I bet I could cut that in half, which I end up doing just so it doesn't stick out quite as far on the sides. But yeah, for anybody who has a Packout system in place already, I think, and you do electrical, I think you'll really like a setup like this. I end up offsetting it to where the rolls are set more towards the back. So on my cart, more of the weight is on the back wheels. And yeah, that Sawzall cut through the EMT like butter, obviously. It's a little bird, so I decided to file down the sides a little bit, although those are going to be inside the couplers anyway, so you're not really going to get cut on it. But yeah, might as well do it the right way. But yeah, so like I say, I offset it, so I'm placing it towards the back there instead of right in the middle, because right in the middle you'd basically kill all the space for the whole crate. So by having it offset to the back, more of the weight is on the wheels for the dolly, which is nice. So it's going to be a little more stable moving around. And then the other benefit is towards the front of the crate, you can still put other stuff in there. You could throw some electrical tools or whatever the case may be, some fittings. So you get a little more functionality out of it. But yeah, so that drill bit was just a 3/4 inch drill bit. That plastic is durable, but it obviously drilled through that like butter as well. And right there, I'm cutting the coupler. Sorry about the video angles. I kind of just set this thing up and ran with it. But coupler cut easy too. I did go ahead and file those as well, especially since those are actually exposed to the side of the crate. You don't want to get caught on it. And yeah, I'm just sliding on the rolls here. It fit great. I'm really happy with it. Another thing I noticed with this is if you do a lot of electrical and you're going through a lot of wire, you can probably double these up. I think it could fit 2 rows side by side. So like I say, if you are using a lot of wire, you might want to do something like that. I don't use a ton for what I do. I do swimming pool construction and repair. So yeah, we use a decent amount, but we don't go through it all that fast. But there it is on the dolly, the Packout dolly. Those couplers fit perfectly in there. They're not sticking out too far. And as you can see, there's a ton of space in the front there for some other tools. But yeah, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, drop it in a comment below and subscribe. Have a good day.